So today we're going to take a look at ChatGPT. So you probably know already what ChatGPT is. You probably know how to use it. Just ask questions and get answers, right? But there's actually a new feature that I think a lot of people missed that you now have with ChatGPT. So what you're going to do is click right here on the three dots, and here in options you go to custom instruction. So what are you going to do here in custom instruction? Basically, this can help you engineer your prompts so you get the best answers possible for your needs. So here we have two text camps to write instruction in. So in the first one, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better response? So here you give him plain topics. So you can go ahead and write AI, programming, marketing, digital space. So here you will give him topics, as you can see. And now in the second option, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So here you can go ahead and say, how do you want the response to be formatted? How do you want to get your answers? So you can say, respond like a digital marketing expert giving advice to a new worker in the company. So let's say you give him this prompt. What it will do is it will give you answers just like you're someone new to the area, and he's the expert. So it will give you the answer in forms of tips, and we try to give you it in simpler language in case you're new to the area. So using these custom instructions can really improve the answers you get from ChatGPT. So I recommend you try it out. Really, you can go ahead and enable it or disable it for new chats in case you want it to be permanent or just for one specific chat. All you have to do is just save it and it's ready to go. And then you just talk to GPT like you always do. So this was today's tip, and I hope you enjoyed it.